Do you remember that video where I told you about the 3 tools that every kitchen should have? One of those tools was a food scale. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing that we need to know how to do is actually turn the food scale on. So let's go ahead and press the power button. The second thing to note is that we can measure 4 different ways using a food scale. We have milliliters, we have grams, we have fluid ounces, and we have pounds. Today we'll be making a smoothie recipe using blueberries, almond milk, flaxseed oil, and also protein powder. So the first thing that we'll need to do is take the blender cup and put it on the scale, and then zero the scale out by pressing 0. Next, we'll move it over because our first ingredient is going to be blueberries. Now what I could use is a cup and a half, but I also know that that equals about 210 grams of blueberries. And to save time, I've gone ahead and proportioned everything. Next is going to be the almond milk, and for that we'll need to zero the scale out again and then flip it over to fluid ounces. We're going to use a cup and a quarter or 10 ounces. Next, again, we'll zero the food scale out, and we're going to add the fat, which is going to be the flaxseed oil. I'm going to use a half tablespoon, or in other words, 7 milliliters. And last but not least, we're going to need our protein, and that's going to be 1 scoop. So again, zero the scale out, and then move over to grams, and we're going to add 28 grams of protein powder. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.